Good morning, students. We were learning about the lesson 20, the people of India now. We have already learned about population, language, festivals, and food habits. Firstly, what is population? I have already explained what is population. Population means a number of people living in a particular place. Now, in India, the population is 134 crore. India is the second most populated country in the world. First is China and second is India. And about the language, there are 22 major languages are in our country, and Hindi in Devanagari script is the official language of India. Hindi is the official language. Other than that, there are 22 languages. They are Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Urdu, Oriya, Maithili, Marathi, Manipuri, Punjabi, Konkani, Tamil, Telugu, Sanskrit, Sindhi, Nepali, Kashmiri, Malayalam and Santhali. These are the 22 languages. And about the festivals, we can say that India is the land of festivals. We are celebrating the national festivals also and the religious festivals also. National festivals are Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti, and the religious festivals include Diwali, then Holi. Hindus are celebrating, and Muslims Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha, and Christians are celebrating Christmas, Easter, like that. Religious festivals. More than that, there are festivals like seasonal festivals, that is related to season. Some festivals are linked with the seasons, that is Basant Panchami, then Baishagi, like that, Pongal, like that, the seasonal festivals. Then about food habits. Different types of crops are grown in different regions of India, so they follow different types of foods. The people follow different types of foods. In North India, there are number of many wheats are the people produce so many wheat. So wheat is eaten in North India, rice is eaten in the eastern states and Kerala also. And about dresses, today I want to teach dresses, dance and unity in diversity. Dresses. In India, women wear colorful clothes. The most popular dress among women is sari, but the style of wearing it differs from state to state. The women wear saris and the style how they are wearing is different. Besides this, salwar kameez also there in Punjab, gagra kurta in Haryana, lehenga choli in Gujarat, Gaghra Kachli in Rajasthan, and long skirts called Baiku in northeastern states are also popular. In town areas, women wear jean shirt, trouser shirt, etc. And about men, men in towns and cities wear trousers and shirts. Kurta pajama is also popular in northern India. And in village areas, dhoti kurta, men wear dhoti kurta. The other popular dresses include angarka with pajamas in Rajasthan, chudidar pajama and jacket in Gujarat, lungi kurta with a turban in Punjab, lungi shirt in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Moreover, Ferran is a unisex clothing of Kashmir. Unisex means both men and women both are wearing. Then about the dance. Kathakali and Mohiniyattam are popular dance form of Kerala. Ghumar is a typical colorful dance in Rajasthan. There is a dance, Ghumar, it is in Rajasthan. Like that, Bhangra in Punjab, Dandiya in Gujarat, Lavani and Koli in Maharashtra are also the popular dances. Then about unity in diversity. What do you mean by unity in diversity? If we are following different culture, if we are wearing different dresses, if we are following different religion, but all Indians are one. This is known as unity in diversity. The 134 crore Indians practices different religions and cultures, worship different gods, speak different languages, celebrate different festivals, but we all are one. This is known as unity in diversity. All the people share the nation's glorious heritage and are proud of it. These are means the unity in diversity. So you have to read the lesson 3 times. That will be the homework, and next day I will give the exercises. Okay, thank you.